Have you ever wondered how to clean your beautiful cotton candy watch? I'm Phil and I'm going to show you how to do so. I will also give you 3 more tips about bronze watches in general. Let's talk about bronze as a material at first. Bronze oxidates over time and creates its very own patina. Usually bronze watches get a bit darker and create its very own character. I will show you now 3 recommendations on how to handle bronze watches. Let's start with our first recommendation. To minimize oxidation of the bronze components prior to being worn by the purchaser, keep the watch wrapped in its original protective paper and do not wrap it in plastic film. Let's continue with recommendation number 2. Only touch bronze watches wearing gloves. Our third recommendation is only store bronze watches in cool and dry places and avoid direct contact with sunlight. Now we come to our cleaning advice. Please make sure to treat your watch very carefully and also be aware that the color won't be the same as you had it in the very beginning. Step 1. Get the watch that you want to clean ready. Step 2. Put salt and vinegar into a bowl. Step 3. Mix it around. Step 4. Take a soft brush, for example a toothbrush, and clean your watch a bit like that. Step 5. If it's a watch with a leather strap, please make sure that the salt and vinegar mix doesn't come in contact with it. Step 6. Rinse it with water. Here you can see a before and after comparison. You've seen it. There are many tips and tricks around bronze watches. We hope that you can learn something from this video, and should you have more feedback, more questions about bronze watches, please make sure to contact us directly. With this, I wish you a very nice day and see you soon.